Hi, I'm Kennedy Garber, Vice President of Construction here at Hallaton. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating a few of our welding methods. What you'll see in this video is representative of industry standard methods that we utilize during our installation process. This is a wedge welder or fusion welder. This is what we would generally weld our main long production seams on a job site. So as we're laying panels down, this machine is going to track along that edge and do the majority of our welding on the job site. Part of our CQA plan, or industry standard quality control plan, is that we have to do a trial seam in the morning and in the afternoon. They're going to run a small piece of liner, a representative piece, and then we're going to test it, pull it apart, make sure that we can qualify this machine for use. Until this passes the trial seam testing, it isn't approved for use in the field. All right, so now that we've gone through the trial seam setup and we've qualified this welder, we're going to do a demonstration as if this were an actual panel seam in the field. So we're going to run a long seam here, just as if we were deploying this out on a large-scale job. Well, the main production seams are going to be wedge welded fusion seams, as you see behind me here. Anytime we need to do a repair on the liner, it's going to be done using the extrusion weld method right here, as you see on this repair. So once we identify a deficiency in the liner, we've got to go back and repair the liner. So we've taken a piece of liner, that extends about 12 inches beyond the damage in any direction. We took a hot air gun, we lystered it down to heat tack it in place, and ground down the edges to expose a nice clean surface on top of the existing panel. And then we ran an extruding gun, put this weld down to seal this to the bottom sheet. This is a little different than the fusion welders that we use on the main production seams. So this takes extrusion rod, melts down into the gun, and basically kind of goops it along this seam to seal these two panels together. Once the repair is done, our technician is going to write down all of his information. He used X29 or extruder 29. Here's the technician's initials, the date, the time, the speed and temperature we ran the machine. All this is part of the documentation that the inspector requires from us. Proper testing and inspection helps us ensure our materials are being installed to the highest quality. The reason we're doing this is because quality truly matters to us. We're passionate about our industry, what we do, and we take a lot of pride in our work. We're proud to be celebrating 25 years in this business, and we feel like we're doing our part to help protect the environment for the next generation. To stay up to date on our projects and to find more information about our company and installation process, check out our website.